How to show or hide decline events in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendar app, click on this three line icon and click on settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down and you will see hide decline events is here. If you want to hide decline event, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see hide decline events is turn off and hide. If you want to show hide decline event, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see hide decline event is show. So you will hide and show decline event from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can hide and show decline event in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for